This tiny spider plant baby can turn into a full plant just by sitting in water, and it will grow roots faster than you think. These small baby plants are called spiderates or pups, and the best part, each one can become a full plant in just a few weeks. Not all plant babies are ready to grow. Pick one that already has small bumps or tiny roots at the base. These bumps are actually root nodes. Scientifically, this is where new roots develop because the plant has active growth cells called meristem tissue. No roots or bumps, it may take longer to grow. You can propagate in two ways. First, keep the baby attached to the mother plant and place it in water. Keeping it attached gives it a constant supply of nutrients, so rooting is faster and safer. Second, cut it off and then place it in water. Take a clean glass and fill it with normal water. Add perlite on top so that baby plants can float and leaves don't get submerged into the water. This will make sure only bottom of the plant touches water, and it will also reduce the risk of rot. Place only the bottom part of the baby plant in water. Do not dip the leaves or they may rot. Make sure the node is touching water. This is where roots will grow. Keep it in bright, indirect light. Light is important because it helps the plant produce energy through photosynthesis. More energy means faster root growth. Avoid direct harsh sunlight, it can stress the baby plant. Within a few days, you'll notice white roots starting to grow. This happens because water triggers root development hormones like auxins in the plant. In about 1 to 2 weeks, roots become longer and stronger. Once roots are around 3 to 4 inches long, you can move it to soil or keep them growing in water setup. And if growing in water, change water around 10 days and fertilize with liquid plant fertilizer once a month. At this stage, the plant can absorb nutrients properly and grow on its own. And the most important tip you won't want to miss. If your tap water is containing excessive minerals, avoid it. Use filtered or rainwater. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.